Alright, we've started in the first bedroom now. We put the pre-spray down, soaked the bonnet in water, wrung it out, and now he's going, and you can see the nap of the carpet's being restored. It took a while, but we got basically all the loose dirt out, so and that's very important in any method of carpet cleaning, that you get a good pre-vacuum, get all the dirt that you can out with a vacuum cleaner before you start.
I actually run a brush over this to pre-scrub with. We just didn't get it on video this time because we had other things going on. So
one nice thing about this Oreck is it's only pulling a little over 5 amps as compared to most extractors. There's a lot of these apartments we've been in that the electrical system, you keep blowing breakers right and left trying to run bigger machines because of the vacuum motors. And this thing not only is real quiet, but it doesn't pull a lot of amps, so you don't blow your breakers. So that's kind of nice if you end up doing a property that has marginal electrical service in it. This thing will usually run where other equipment won't. I'm going to show you real quick while he's doing this, I'll show you the brush for those who haven't really seen it. See what he did with that thing. Aha. Okay, this is the Oreck carpet brush, and it snaps on, just fits on the bottom of the drive plate on the machine. It's not a real stiff, aggressive brush. It's softer, so it won't damage the carpets, and as you can see, it gets kind of dirty when you use it. It's easy to clean. When you store this thing, you just don't you want to make sure you don't store it where the bristles are pressed down. You want to kind of set it flat on a surface where it won't get touched by anything, and that'll preserve it. So that's pretty easy to use to get if you want to get your pre-spray put into the carpet without picking it up. That's a great tool because you can scrub the pre-spray and scrub it, and it's still going to be there until you bonnet clean it. See how he's doing in here. Looks like it's going to town. It's really nice to be able to just put a pad on the ground and start cleaning, and you really don't have to stop unless you feel the pad's getting too dry, or if you want to add a little more pre-spray down or something like that. So it's really easy to just go, and you don't have to stop for anything except maybe to move your power cord. And with a 50-foot power cord, you don't have to move it very often. And it's it's aggressive on stains and embedded dirt, but it's not hard on the fibers of the carpet, so it's a really great method because it restores the nap, but you don't have to worry about doing it too often and ruining your carpet because it's just not that kind of a method. And since it's orbital, sometimes you may see the bonnet barely spins, but that's because it's still scrubbing. The more drag you put on, the more it can slow down the actual rotational speed.
it's still orbiting.
It's still orbiting.
And that's the true opinion part of it anyway, is the orbit. Here, this is a traffic pattern a little bit.
One more line now. Yeah, you always want to hit your thresholds pretty good because that's where most of the dirt's going to be, and then traffic patterns in the room.